Microsoft and AT&T are working together to enable many new and exciting use cases leveraging compute at the network edge. These new use cases address business challenges in a wide range of verticals.
Azure Public Multi-Access Edge Compute, or Azure Public MEC, is an edge compute solution from Microsoft. Enterprises and developers can leverage this solution to deploy applications needing low latency and connectivity to the mobile network. This solution will also provide Azure automation, industry-leading security, developer experience with ability to use services available in the Azure regions.
AT&T has built its dedicated and optimized network edge low latency connectivity to the Azure Public MEC. That way, AT&T 5G mobility users can take advantage of the workloads deployed on the edge.
AT&T's network design keeps traffic local, which ensures higher performance, lower latency getting traffic to and from the local edge compute environment. So the beauty of this solution is really an integrated public MEC that combines AT&T's speed, security in our 5G mobility network with Microsoft's world-class Azure capabilities to support a whole range of new and innovative use cases that require low latency at the edge.
Azure Public MEC with AT&T is available for developers, enterprise customers, and ISVs with applications designed to run workloads that require low latency. To ensure the best possible service for customers, Microsoft and AT&T worked with Spirent to benchmark user experience and performance prior to the launch of the Azure Public MEC with AT&T in Atlanta, Georgia. Spirent's service assurance solutions use virtual test agents to emulate live traffic and give end-to-end visibility into any node in a network, providing realistic insight into expected performance. Using these solutions, we can emulate, monitor, and benchmark the customer's experience for any application.
By partnering with Spirent, Microsoft is tapping into decades of expertise in application service assurance and validation. This invariably will impact the market by increasing customer confidence in the adoption of these edge-based services, and in doing so, accelerate the adoption of net new markets.
Let's take a quick look at the high-level network architecture for the proof of concept for the Azure Public MEC with AT&T in Atlanta. With Azure Public MEC, we are extending the Azure cloud to the edge within AT&T's local metropolitan area network, thereby eliminating endless miles of fiber to the infrastructure to decrease latency and open a new world of critical applications. In this proof of concept, Spirent Active Assurance was used at various nodes to emulate and monitor traffic to the public cloud and the Azure Public MEC with AT&T. Virtual test agents were placed at the end-user devices within the public MEC and in the public cloud to determine latency, jitter, and bandwidth differences.
In looking at the key metrics that were tested, the Azure Public MEC with AT&T provides reductions in end-to-end latency, jitter, time to first byte, and page load time that are predictable and consistent. This is essential to enable critical real-time applications for both humans and connected machines. As mobile networks evolve to the new 3GPP 5G standalone architecture, there will be further enhancements that improve these KPIs.
The collaboration between Spirent, Microsoft, and AT&T is focused on one outcome: make sure the Azure Public MEC implementation with AT&T exceeds customer expectations. This will accelerate market adoption of edge-based service delivery models as well as increase productivity for the end-user customers themselves.